In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to ByBit. So from your ByBit app, you're going to click on Deposit. And in here, you're going to select the crypto that you wish to transfer. So in this tutorial, I'm going with Ethereum. So I don't see it in here. So I'm going to click on the search bar and then I'm going to type in Ethereum or ETH. And as you can see under E, we see ETH and that is Ethereum. So in this section, we need to select a network. And this step is really important because if you do not match this network with your Coinbase network, then your crypto might get lost. So it is really important to have the same network selected on both wallets. So I'm going with Ethereum and just pick one based on your crypto, but make sure that it is the same one. That is the most important thing. So let's click on my network. And in this screen, we see our wallet address. And this is the wallet address that we're going to copy in Coinbase. So let's head over to Coinbase now. So from our Coinbase app, we're going to click on Transfer at the bottom right, click on Send Crypto, paste in the wallet address from ByBit, and after you've pasted that in, click on the wallet section just down below, select the crypto that you're transferring, and in this tutorial, I'm transferring Ethereum. And again, select the same network in here as we just did on ByBit, because if you do not do that, you will lose your crypto. So I'm going to pick Ethereum, and you just need to pick the network that you just selected in ByBit. Enter the amount of crypto that you want to transfer, and I'm just going to click on Max, and then I'm going to click on Preview. And because I'm in the EU, I need to fill in one of these two tabs. So the first thing that you can do is you can head over to the Exchange tab, and then search for ByBit. And if you see it, click on it. And if you don't see it, click on Self-Custody Wallet, and then just move on with filling in the details. And after that, head over to the next screen. So both of the options will redirect you to this screen. So in this screen, you need to click on Sending to Myself if you are sending it to yourself. And if you're not doing that, then enter the recipient's full name and country of residence. And after, click on Continue. Check if everything is all right, and if so, click on Send Now at the bottom. As you can see, we have transferred crypto from Coinbase to ByBit. So now we can go ahead and click on Done. And now we will see that our crypto is pending. And if you head over to your ByBit app, and it should take some time in order for it to arrive in your ByBit app. So give it a couple of minutes, maybe an hour, and then it will be visible in your ByBit app. And that is how you transfer crypto from Coinbase to ByBit. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.